Welcome to Unite Conferencing's tutorial on how to use your online host controls. As mentioned in a previous video, included with the service, users can manage their conference using the start features via telephone keypad. In addition, Unite also provides online host controls, giving users the ability to visually identify and manage participants attending their conference. In this video, I'll cover how to access and use the online host controls. By using this feature, you'll be able to manage your conferences more efficiently. To access the online host controls, please visit our website www.uniteconferencing.com, then click on Access Host Controls. You'll be presented with a screen to enter in your login credentials found in your welcome document. Enter your toll or toll-free number, your 7-digit access code, and your chairperson passcode, and click on the login button. Please note, if you changed your chairperson passcode, be sure to enter your new number in the passcode field. You are now logged into your Easy Access web meeting portal. This is where you'll be able to view details of your past conferences, edit, distribute, and delete your recordings, upload your contacts, and you'll be able to schedule your calls and webinars in advance with corporately branded invitations automatically emailed to your participants. For a detailed explanation on how to schedule meetings in advance with participant registration and professional looking corporate invitations, please review our tutorial on how to schedule a meeting with our reservationless platform. To begin using your online host controls, please ensure that the On-Demand Meeting tab is selected. Then click on Open Meeting Controls. Your controls may take a few seconds to open. This is your Easy Access web meeting interface. As previously mentioned, the online host controls do not require you to start a web conference. The only time a web conference will be initiated is if you click on the green Start Meeting button. Please note that additional charges will apply if a web conference is initiated, so please contact your account executive for more details. Next, you may want to take a look at the options menu here. This is where you may customize your conference a little further. A window with 3 tabs will appear. Since we're using audio only, let's click on the Audio tab. Here you're presented with 3 options for entry announcements. You can choose Tone, which will play just a tone for participants entering or exiting your conference. Name, this will notify you with a tone and the name of the participant as captured when they dialed into your conference. Or Silent Entry, should you choose not to be notified of incoming or departing participants. Any changes made can be saved for a single conference or saved for all future conferences by checking off Save Settings for future conferences before exiting. This is where you'll also find computer audio options, also known as VoIP audio. If the chairperson or participants connecting to your conference prefer to use their microphones and computer speakers as an alternative to using their phones, you may enable that feature here. Please note that this feature is disabled on all new accounts. Please contact our office for more details. Once connected, you'll be identified as the chairperson. The online host controls will become active. Here you may mute or unmute the entire conference, summon an operator, place the call in listen-only mode, conference continuation, or lock the conference. All features are click on or click off. I'll explain the dialing out shortly, and as your participants begin dialing into the conference, you'll notice their phone numbers appearing on the top left of your controls. As your participants join your conference, by right-clicking the participant's name, you can mute and unmute their line, disconnect them from the call, add them to your online phone book, and or rename their line. In this example, unless turned off, by default, participants dialing into your conference will be asked to state their name followed by the pound key. By selecting Play Name, the system will replay their name as captured when they entered your conference. Once identified, you may want to add that contact to your phone book. By doing so, the next time that participant joins your conference, the system will automatically recognize their phone number and populate their name in place of just their number. When adding contacts to your phone book, you can include information such as the company name or any other phone numbers that participant may use to connect to your conference. Once you've completed the fields, click Save. For the current conference, you'll have to manually rename their line by right-clicking their phone number and selecting Rename. As participants dial into your conference, you'll be able to see the names of those connecting to your call. In this example, Jason Sanders has already been saved to your phone book, and his name appears in place of a phone number. This feature is helpful for quickly identifying who needs to be unmuted to join you as a co-presenter should your conference require co-speakers or presenters. You would place the conference in listen-only mode, then right-click the name or names of co-presenters and unmute their lines only. Additionally, you can dial out to any participants as well. You may do this by entering the number in the box below, then selecting dial out, or you can use your convenient online phone book here. This opens a window containing all of your phone book contacts. Here you may dial up to 10 participants at once. Once you've chosen the participants to dial out to, the system will contact them automatically. When they answer their phone, the system will notify them of the conference and offer them simple prompts for them to join your call. Please note, if you dial out to participants from the conference platform, all 800, 877, 866, etc. will not be accepted by the system. The system only recognizes phone numbers with an actual area code. This does not apply to international calls, however. The international dial-out feature must be enabled on your account. By default, this feature is disabled for security reasons. Should you require international dial-out capability, please contact our office. During the dial-out process, you'll remain connected to the conference. If participants are unavailable, you may cancel the dial-out by right-clicking the attendee's name and selecting disconnect. Please note the system will automatically give up after a number of unsuccessful attempts. This concludes the video tutorial on the online host controls. As mentioned earlier, this feature is included with your easy access reservationless service, and there are no additional charges or hidden fees. Thanks again everyone for watching. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact our office at 1-800-624-9923. Thanks again.